Tagging someone without showing on Instagram is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to tag someone without the tag being visible on your content, you can use different methods depending on whether you're posting a story or a feed or reel. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use a story, because for post and reels, you're going to just have to tag the person in the comments. But let's use a story example. Now, before you can do that, you need to post a story first. So let's, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go with this post, then we're going to add to story. Now, on your story page, you can see a vertical navigation on the right, on the top right of your screen. You're going to choose the next one, which is a sticker. And once you choose it, you're going to click on mentions. Now, on the mentions, you're going to mention the person that you want to tag. Once you mention the person, you're going to open the tag of the person. You're going to enlarge it to fill up your whole screen. Then you're going to push it to the top, just like this. Now, from here, you can go ahead and post your story. And once you post it, let's go back and check the story. You can see the tag that we added is not on the post, but the person has been tagged, all right, and we are not showing. Now, that's how to tag someone without showing on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.